Alright, so you want to invest, but you're not sure where to start. Stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, cryptocurrency. What do they all mean? Which one's actually right for you? Let's break it down, starting with stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a tiny slice of a company. Think Apple, Tesla, Amazon. If the company does well, your investment grows. But if it tanks, so does your money. Stocks can skyrocket, but they can also crash hard. There's a lot of potential reward, but that comes with risk and volatility. Now, ETFs exchange traded funds. Imagine a big basket filled with dozens or even hundreds of stocks or bonds. When you buy an ETF, you buy a piece of that basket. For example, the S&P 500 ETF VOO or SPY lets you own a bit of the 500 biggest companies in the US, all at once. ETFs trade like stocks, so you can buy or sell them anytime during the market day. They're great for diversification and often have lower fees than mutual funds. Speaking of mutual funds, these work a little differently. You pool your money with other investors, and a pro manager picks the investments for you. Mutual funds are bought or sold just once a day at the closing price. They're less hands-on for you but can come with higher fees. Some mutual funds do beat the market, but many don't, especially after fees are factored in. Finally, cryptocurrency. Think Bitcoin, Ethereum, or newer tokens. Crypto isn't tied to companies or governments, it's digital, decentralized, and trades 24/7. The upside? Massive growth potential. The downside? Wild price swings, hacks, and regulatory uncertainty. So, which one's right for you? If you're new, ETFs are a solid start. Diversification, lower fees, less drama. If you love research and don't mind volatility, individual stocks might be your game. Prefer the hands-off approach? Check out mutual funds. And if you've got extra cash and a strong stomach, dip your toes into crypto. Keep it a small part of your portfolio. The best investment is the one that fits your goals, your risk tolerance, and your time frame. Start small, keep learning, and remember, no one cares about your money more than you do. Make a plan, match investments to your timeline. Review annually, and rebalance as needed. If you're ready to start your journey towards financial freedom, hit that subscribe button and join me here on Freedom Through Investing. Let's build wealth and freedom together. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing.